Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome. I am Iki and I'm going to continue with the slot machine. Okay, the slot machine. Thank you, La Poppy, for coming. Thank you, the Chamigal Gaming. So, I just push myself to continue with this because otherwise it's a never-ending story. And we almost finish over here with this project. So what I'm going to do now is on this stream is to create prices, okay? Prices and the gambling amount. So I have to determine which fruit will be which price, okay? Each fruit for each price. I need to determine which combination of these fruits will give you certain amount of money and which other fruit will give you another amount in incremental order, okay? Your pretzel friend has arrived. Oh, a pretzel friend, the Roblox friend. Okay, thank you for coming. Okay, so let's start. I have to see. First, I have to determine how much I will give as the big price, the biggest price ever on the machine. Maybe $1 million. Yeah, $1 million, it's okay. Yeah. So I need to determine which combination I will use for that. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see the fruits properly. Okay. I have these fruits. Maybe we need one more fruit. No. Yeah, I will use one of these fruit as the jackpot. Okay. In this order. So the coconut will be the jackpot, maybe. Or the cherries. I don't know. Okay. Maybe the cherries. So I need to. We are going to write all this logic to understand which direction we have to travel. Okay. Jackpot will be equal to this price, okay? And this will be coconuts or 3 cherries. 3 cherries, I think. Yeah, 3 cherries will be the jackpot. By now, maybe we change. I have to. Yeah, we have to think which fruit will be which price, but I need to implement the logic first. The logic of with one fruit you will win one prize, okay? One fruit correspond to one prize. Okay. Also, I want to give if the player has only 2 of 3 fruits, for example, 2 cherries, give him 30% of the gambling. Yeah, I mean, if the player gamble $5 and he just got 2 cherries, he will win like 15. So he's losing, but recovering some of the money on that transaction. I discussed this strategy, yeah, on a previous stream where I talk about why it's important to give the player the illusion of winning. Okay, so in this case he is losing money, but recovering some of the money, and he will feel as if he's winning. Okay, and keep gambling. That's the main thing of all this. Okay, so we have the jackpot of $1 million. We have to establish the another prices. I have 9 other prices. Okay, so another price will be this one. Okay, middle jackpot. These are just names for the example. Okay, this fruit, the name of this fruit was pineapple. I don't remember. Okay, free pineapple is the half of the jackpot. Okay, then we have another big prize will be the orange. Mega big prize will be the orange. I don't know if I will use 3 orange, maybe 3 grapes. Oh, no. Let me think about it. 3 bananas. Okay. Or orange. By now, I will go in order. Maybe I modify this later. So, then we have minor prices. Yeah, because I don't know if maybe pineapple should be here, because I want a big distance between the jackpot and a big prize. Okay, then I have this big prize. and this will be 3 orange. Here I have price. Lucky price will be this one. Cherries. I don't have in order, so this can be bananas. Cherry, and this fruit name was strawberry. 3 strawberries will be this price. Okay, how much time? 10 minutes. Okay, I'm good with this. Now we have good price will be this one. Okay, it will be maybe the orange. I don't know, because I'm thinking about it, because I want the 3 colors. That's why I don't pick the grapes yet, because I want it constantly, so it has a variety of colors. Otherwise the purple color will be special and almost invisible. Okay, I want first use the common colors. Maybe apples. No, I have to choose now which color will be. How many price? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I have cherries. Okay. Pineapple. Okay. Coconut. 3 coconuts. Is radiation. Okay. So now I need to select the minor. I will just look for the minor prices. First, the lemon. 3 lemons will be equal to, I have to determine the price of gambling. Gambling price, this is just to start the logic. I will change it. 5. If this is 5, 3 lemons will give you 7. 7. Okay. Low price. Mid price will be I will give this number. This will be for 3 apples. Mid high price will be this one. Bananas, I use it. Grapes, 3 grapes. Okay. So we have these fruits. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One fruit is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know which fruit. Apple. Okay, lemon, apple, banana, grapes, strawberry, cherries, oranges. Yeah. Okay. High price will be equal to 3 oranges. This will be the prices of the machine. I mean, these have to be discussed with the casino stuff. If you're making a casino game, you need to talk with the staff to understand their ambitions. You know, maybe they don't want to give this jackpot, or maybe they want a big number. Okay, there are machines, a cheap jackpot machines with cheapest prices, and there are VIP casino machines where the rich people gamble, and there are higher gambling amounts and higher prices. So you have to first try to figure out which one you want to accomplish. In this case, this is the cheap cheap thing, but
Mi amor,
yeah,
figure it out. No figure.
figure it out. Mwah.
Mm,
Thank you.
no.
My girlfriend just gave me a kiss and enamoré. Okay, so I'm completely lost. Um,
I'm sorry.
no, it's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
It's okay.
Mm.
Ah, yeah. This is the cheap version, but this machine we have 3 gambling buttons or options, okay? As you can see here. So we have 3 game modes. Cheap mode with these prices and this gambling price. Medium mode with this multiplier. I mean, maybe +5. Okay, so the biggest price will be 5 millions, and VIP price maybe multiplied by 10, and the gambling price will be, yeah, 15. Okay, I have to check this if it's convenient. Maybe more, yeah. Well, but first we have to create this kind of table. So I have to create int wait a minute, public list int prices amount. Okay, this will be a list of the different prices, because you can add as many prices as you want. In this case, I will have these ones. Okay, I have to wait until this compile. Okay, pretty. Then I have to select the here prices amount. I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then prices. Okay, and I have to set the prices. I have to determine, yeah, if he gamble. Let me calculate 30%. So 1.5. Okay, as you can see, it gave me 1.5, but it's good because decimal numbers are like attractive. You feel like you are winning more, but not all machine will have this kind of change. Yeah. In the other hand, I think this will be probably, if this is implemented, this will be electronic money, you know. So doesn't matter. So yeah, instead of use int, I will use a float. And yeah, it's good. This is good. Instead of put this gambling price, I will put this gambling price. And you say, okay, why this gambling price? Okay, this is a trick you can apply on consumers. A study show that people feel this as something, a friendly price. Okay, instead of put this number, I put this, and they feel like they are saving money, and it's pretty the same thing, but the people want to gamble more. So this is used on supermarkets, on stores. Is pretty common. They put this kind of price. I will put this kind of price so that people think, oh yeah, I want to gamble. I need to attract with all the weapons I have. I must to attract the clients to the machine, no matter what. This is the main thing here. So okay, I have to convert this on float because I will use decimal numbers, and now I can use decimal numbers here. I have to wait until this is working. 1.5 will be the yeah, if he's losing some money. Then I have 7, 11. Maybe you can see what I'm doing here because it's the camera. Okay, so I will hide the camera just for a second, so you can see here what's going on. I'm just writing the numbers here, the values. Okay, I need all the values here. Okay, and I need, okay, this is the cheap version. I can create another table for the other versions of the game, but I just will multiply the number. Yeah, depending on which game mode the client select, or the player. Yeah, the player don't want to be called client because he will know is losing money. The player sounds like more friendly. Okay, so I have the prices amount, and now I have to determine when he will win and when he will not. This must be divided. I need the gambling price. I need 3 different gambling prices. Okay, I need public gambling price. Okay, I will use just one gambling price because I think I will multiply the gambling price in the different game modes. Now, I don't know. Yeah, no. I should have 3 gambling prices because this 99, when it's multiplied, will be 97 or another number, and it's not attractive. So gambling high, medium price, and gambling high bid price. Okay, these are the 3 gambling modes. I will see this later. I have to start to determine which of these, which of the gameplay will be real random, and which, yeah, in fact all will be random, with probabilities and all the thing, but there will be a part of the machine that work just with a random selection of numbers, and then will be an algorithm to work as a filter, you know. I mean, the player will just gamble and push the or pull the lever. Okay, the machine will spin, and there in that case, yeah, we'll select a random number. But then, before they show the result to the player, the machine will think, how much money I have. If the machine doesn't win $1,000,000 yet, and the player is winning the $1,000,000, I don't have to show that result, because I'm not going to bring to the player that amount. Okay, the casino had to win first that amount of money. So if the player get that result, I have to reroll or recreate the result. The player will not notice that this is going on, this is happening. Okay, the player will see the machine spinning, and while the machine is spinning, is trying to figure out in case of he win, how much. Eh?
Figure it out.
Figure out how much. Yeah, okay.
Figure, mi amor, figure.
Figure. Okay. That's the main thing. So there will be, as I said before, a real the first oh fuck, let me see the word, because stage, the first phase, the first phase of this spinning will be real. I mean, we'll just select a random number. Now, the player here can win or lose, but there's also another option. They can just recover some of the money. So is win, lose, and recover some of the money. It's like a mid-lose situation. They will the recover and lose will be simple. Okay, they spin the machine, and if this is the result and they have to recover money or lose, there's nothing else to do. Okay, I give the money, that's it. Now, if they win, is when we have to start the phase 2. Okay, so first we have to implement the phase 1. Okay, there we go. Now I have to select where the I need to here, check match. Okay, check match. We'll see if there's a combination here. If I got 3 combinations, I have to reroll probably here. I will have here algorithm with okay, probabilities, and here if they have just 2 coincidences, 2 matches. Okay, and here they don't, if they or he or she or whatever is the client don't win at all. What happened? Nothing. Okay, here I have to give the 30% of the gambled money. So we first need to implement the gambling situation. Okay, the gambling situation, let me see. I have 3 buttons to gamble. Gamble amount, okay. Let me see, because I think, okay, what the okay, here I have the 3 options. Instead of set here directly the amount of money, I will set 0, 1 or 2. This will determine in which mode I will enter, okay? Entonces, then, entonces, okay. Then I have to establish the game mode. Maybe instead of 0, 1 or 2, I have different states, game modes. Cheap, mid, price, high price, a VIP prices. Okay. Game mode will be the current game mode, and game modes will be cheap. As default, I will select cheap. But when they push a button, we'll select one of these game modes. Okay. Game mode. So here I have to replace to just get the mode, and I will tell to the game that I'm going to use the current game mode will be equal to mode, the selected mode. Now, current gamble, I will comment this line because I will decide the amount of money, or calculate the amount of money when we get the match, and in that phase I will determine the price, not when he gamble. Okay, so hello Fachi, thank you for coming. Pogna, thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming too. Mate, there is a ducky stuck in your... Oh, wow. This man is portando como el cumbre. Okay. Hello Fachi, thank you for coming. there's like 10 days I don't do any live stream. I have this live stream pending, but I'm working like on 3 or 4 projects, 3 or 4 works at the same time, and it's pretty difficult. Something heavy. Okay, now in this case I have to see which game mode I have to establish the price. I have to select the game mode, and I have to determine all the cases. I have which cases game mode dot cheap. If I'm on the cheap mode, I will do something. If I am on the middle price mode, I will do other thing. And if I am on the big prices, I will do another thing. Okay. You win some money now. I will give the money to the player. La Pepi. Okay. I have to look at the debugger because sometimes I have bugs. The designer's game mode could not be found. Oh, it's called game modes. Okay. Which say inconsistent accessibility parameter. Okay, I need to establish as public. So I can have access to it. The dog is barking. What is going on here? Oh, I have to change now to the gamble function. This needs to be updated, so I have to drag this again. Come on, man. I don't want to reopen the project just to make this work. Believer. I don't see the gamble function here. Maybe I have to reopen this game. So have to close Unity. We have to wait. Oh, I need to see if I have any message here because I'm waiting for a job. message. I finished today. Oh, my mother. Yeah. Another shit. Okay. I want you to do it. And here. How much time? Okay, I have some minutes. We are going so good. I have to wait. Okay. The functions. I need the function. Why? Why it's not the function? Bool string. Maybe I can't use this as a function. Okay. Let me check this. Okay. Because I have an idea, but it's not the idea, but we can do something about it. Gamble. Okay, public void gamble. This is public, so should be appearing on the screen. Someone pay me or not? No, just commercials. I hate commercials. Okay. Advertisement. Current game mode will be 0, 1 or 2. I have to see if this is automatically converted from an int to an enum. No. Don't worry, because I will just switch mode and I will select the different cases. Case 0, case 1, case 2. These are the 3 game modes. So case 0 means that current game mode will be game modes cheap. I will copy this line and just paste and mid price, beep price. Beep price, not prices. 1, 2. Beep price. Okay, now okay, now it must work. Okay, it's working. So I will select again gamble in numbers 0, 1, 2. That's it. This is for the cheapest, mid, and the VIP. Okay. Okay, this is a gamble, and that's it. Now we have to determine the in the case they recover some money, and this is so easy because I will have reward. In this case, reward will be equal to the gambling price, the low gambling price, I need to calculate the 30%. So let me see. This is simple. This will be equal to this. I need to calculate this one. So I have to multiply this and then divide by this number. Okay, I have to multiply 30% per gambling price, and then divided this number. Now I have to copy, because in the three cases, no matter how much they gamble, I have to do this calculation, but the gambling price will be variable, because if they gamble on the VIP mode, they will gamble more. So I have to use the proper variables. Okay. Now I have the three game modes. Fudge is thinking. It's like creating some machines while I'm doing this. Okay. By now this is good, but I have to put outside here this, and then I have to bring the player that amount of money. They have to, they need a pocket, okay? Player pocket. Player pocket will just have the amount of money. If you want, you can create a game session with username and other things. By now I will just create a the amount of money. So player pocket by default will be 0. Okay, now I will create a function to insert pocket some money in the game. I don't know. how we going to do that, because we don't have any button to do this. Maybe, yeah, I will create a start amount of money, and then if you restart the game, you will get again the initial amount of money. Okay, this is just to understand, because I can add real money to the game yet. If a casino hire me to do this, I will do it, but it's no sense on create a real system with real money, because I don't have $1 million to reward people. Will be interesting, but I don't have that inversion, okay, or legal permissions to do that. So boy, no, set at the end, insert coins, void. Insert money, because coins, if it's an electronic game, it's weird. So player pocket will be equal to will increase in this amount. I will insert money just one time. Insert money. I will insert this amount of money. Initial money for testing. Okay. And I have money. If you see, I use current gamble here. Okay. I will return if the player doesn't have any money to gamble. But I have to check on each case if they is gambling. He have $5 and the cost is $10 because he's trying to gamble on the medium game mode. They can't, but if he tried to gamble on the cheapest mode, they have to. Yeah, they should play. So no. Yeah. To create a switch again to determine in which game mode is the player here. And then current game mode, cheap, current game mode. Okay, here I have to test the game mode. And here will be this game modes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is try to understand if the player currency can afford this gambling situation, okay, or gambling price. This need to be if it's minor to gambling price, I need to return. I will finish the operation because they can't gamble. In this case, I have to compare with the mid price, and in this case I have to compare with the VIP price. Maybe we should show a message on the screen, but I don't have any screen at the moment, so this is what I'm going to do by now. Okay, what else? I need to see if I have some. Okay. Current gamble. Okay, and we have machine very advanced, okay, on this mechanics, game mechanics. The next we have to do on the next session, well, I have to do some live streams on Spanish, but when we continue with this, we'll continue with the special algorithms here. In the case of three combinations, to check how much money the machine is winning, I need to create a variable to collect the money and count, because it's not just collect the player money. I need to count how much money the machine have, and when the machine give money, the machine need to count how much money now the machine have. Okay, so the machine can work with the different probabilities and give different prices depending on that values. That is why it's so important. Okay, people of the world, thank you for coming. Hope you liked this stream. Was full programming. Oh, say the man. This week probably I will do another live stream in the Spanish channel. Okay, I know I need to continue with that, so probably will be chess in Godot. Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you Fachi, thank you Gaming, and thank you La Poppy. Aquicios. Bye bye.